Hello, in today's video we'll discuss how to use your Southwest points to book a hotel. Watch until the end to learn all you need to know. Southwest Airlines has a loyalty rewards program that gives return customers and members points to reserve flights, rental cars, and hotel stays. Once you have enough accumulated points, here's how to redeem them for a hotel booking. Go to southwest.com, link in the description. Log in with your account credentials. Click on the Rapid Rewards tab at the top right corner of the home screen. Under the Programs list, click on Redeem Points for gift cards and more. Peruse the available hotel options and follow the prompts to complete your desired reservation. What can you do if you can't reserve a hotel with your Southwest points? You can call the Southwest Customer Care line at 847-249-9792 for further assistance, number in the description. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you can use your Southwest points to make a hotel booking. Thanks for watching. Till next time.